Okay, let me show you how we can set up this smart lock so that it will be in use. First of all, I'm just doing this just as a demo on how to do this. So when you get to the site, that's when the motifs and every other thing will come into, but this is just for initializing purposes. Okay, so plugin. Okay, now so I'm going to power this with USB because there's no battery yet. So the system is now on. Now I want to, this is the first initializing because there's there's no password, no fingerprint has already been installed in it. So you can open it unlock randomly until you set up the admin. So I'm going to set up the admin now. First, you have press star hash. Enter admin information. First is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is the admin information. Hash. One for admin setting. Two for one for admin setting. Two for user. Three for internet. Four for reset. Then I'm going to press 1 to add admin. Enter admin information. That's the first initial keys password you use, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then hash. So this has been initialized, so I can use the password. Then I'll have to do the fingerprint. 1 2 3 4. So it's now then admin setting has been set. Now I can use password or fingerprint to unlock this door. So let's try it now. Okay, now listing. Unlock. See the green? Now I can use a password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enter. 0. Okay, now see. Again. So now I want to add admin, another admin. Now I can use password to unlock these keys. Unlock. So now I want to use the fingerprint to operate it. Now you see it's not going to give me access. 0. Red. This fingerprint access. Unlock. So this is how to set it up. There are other things to set up with this. You can set the password, you can set the key. Okay, now let me add this key. Let me add this IC card. So I'm going to use 2 is for user setting, which is the card. I want to press 1 to add this. So So this has been initiated. Now I can use it to unlock. See. So I can as well use the metallic key to unlock when the motif is available. Now if the motif is available, you can use it to unlock. So guys, this is how to set up these keys, and in our subsequent classes I will show you more about how other things you need to do with the keys. Thank you.